If you are into email marketing or you want to get some email marketing tips, maybe you want to learn about email marketing for beginners and how to schedule your email campaigns. It could be that you want to learn more about how to use Gmail more effectively. Then you are welcome to the right place. This is Ray Creators Lab, where we provide you with tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides about AI tools and online tools that you need in your day-to-day workflow streamlining. Today's tutorial is centered on 10 Gmail hacks you should know. I want to believe that after this tutorial, you will start using Gmail like a pro. Now, before we begin, if you are new here and have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now. Also, like and share this video and leave a comment below. Don't forget to turn on your notification button for more valuable content. The first hack is how to undo the email you just sent. Here's how to undo it. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner, then click General. Turn on Undo Send. When you are through with that, choose a delay of 30 seconds. The second hack is to stop receiving promotional emails. If you are not comfortable with those annoying promotional emails, here is how to stop them. First, type unsubscribe in the Gmail search bar. Then, select all emails with the unsubscribe tag. Now, click on the delete button to remove them all. It's that simple. The third hack is how you can send a confidential email. Did you know that you can enhance the confidentiality of your email by disabling features like copying, printing, forwarding, and downloading by the recipient? To do this, simply tap on the lock symbol when sending a new email. This fourth hack will blow your mind away. What if I told you that you can use Gmail offline? Yes, use Gmail offline. To do that, follow these steps to enable offline mode for Gmail. Log into your Gmail account. Then, click on the gear icon or Quick Settings. Select See All Settings. Choose Offline, and then select Enable for more options. Let me now show you how to use Gmail with keyboard shortcuts. 1. To mark as read, use Shift+I. 2. To send an email, use the Window key or Control+Enter. 3. Use the Window key or Control+K to insert a link. 4. Use C to compose. 5. Use the / to search your emails. 6. Use D to compose in a new tab. Then 7. Use Shift plus Control plus B to add BCC recipient. The next hack will help you schedule your email to be sent later. Would you like to give the impression that you're working at your desk at 10 p.m.? Here's how. First, click the down arrow next to Send. Then secondly, choose Schedule Send. And finally, select the date and time you prefer. This next hack will help you snooze an email. Do you have an email you don't want to deal with right away? Then, set a reminder for later. Click on the clock icon on the right. Choose how long you want to snooze the email. Once you have done that, it will reappear in your inbox on that date. Let me show you how you can use labels to organize your emails efficiently. The first thing you need to do is to create custom labels like work, personal, or travel for different types of emails. To apply a label, click on the Labels button in the toolbar and choose the appropriate label. That's it. Simple, right? Let's see how to create templates to speed up email customization. Now you will need to select Compose, then enter the text you want to use for your template in the email field. After that, click on the three-dot menu and then select Templates. Now choose Save Draft as Template and then Save as New Template. The last hack we will be looking at today will help you archive important emails. You don't delete them. Those are the 10 hacks I think will help you become more productive. Please let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Once again, Remember that here in Ray Creators Lab, we give you all the insights you need as regards AI and online tools that would enhance your workflow. Please support my channel by liking, sharing this video, commenting below, and most importantly, subscribing to my channel. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button to get more videos.